Theory of Disinterestedness by Matthew Arnold. Matthew Arnold was one of the greatest Victorian poets and critics. His famous critical work, The Function of Criticism at the Present Time, introduces his theory of disinterestedness, which became one of the central ideas in modern literary criticism. Arnold believed that a true critic should approach literature with a calm, impartial, and objective mind, free from personal, political, or religious bias. This ideal state of criticism, according to Arnold, is called disinterestedness. The term disinterestedness literally means freedom from selfish motives or personal interest. For Arnold, criticism must be pure, sincere, and detached, aiming only at discovering truth and excellence in literature, not serving any private or national agenda. He says a critic must view literary work as it really is, not as he wishes it to be. This ability to look at the things objectively is what Arnold calls seeing the object as in itself it really is. Origin of the theory. Arnold's idea was influenced by Immanuel Kant and Goethe and Saint-Beuve, and the political and religious conflicts of Victorian England, where criticism was often used for moral or national propaganda. Arnold wanted criticism to rise above all prejudices and partiality and to serve the cause of truth and beauty. Main points of the theory. Criticism should be free from bias. The aim of criticism is to know the best, the critic as an interpreter, and disinterestedness and culture. Importance of disinterestedness. It gives criticism honesty and integrity. It prevents fanaticism, prejudice, and narrow-mindedness. It helps criticism become a scientific and intellectual activity rather than emotional or political propaganda. It makes the critic a guide for society, showing people how to appreciate truth and beauty without bias. And Matthew Arnold's theory of disinterestedness is a cornerstone of modern literary criticism. He insisted that a critic must rise above personal likes and dislikes, approaching literature with a spirit of fairness, truth, and universality. For Arnold, disinterestedness is not indifference, it is the highest form of honesty and moral clarity. By following this principle, criticism can fulfill its true function to spread the best that has been known and thought in the world and to uplift the culture and moral life of humanity. Thanks for watching.